and rough ish. Mr. Tibbs. Oh, okay. Pretty strong light, you know, over there by the little sign. Pretty strong. Nice reflective. Oh boy. Okay. See ya, Poppy. Bye, y'all. What was that? Please tell me that was a puddle. And nothing. Please tell me that was a puddle and nothing important fell off. Oh man, gotta get home. Gotta sleep. Howdy ho, I ain't never go. Oh, I forgot about this. Bike station will be there for me to dock the bike and finish up my ride and pay for it. Which is dope. At least I know more than around here. So, yeah. It might be easier for me to use e-bikes, you know, because I'm already used to this thing, so that's that. But yeah, probably one day I'll try out an e-bike and I'll see if I like it or not, you know. I mean, I would still prefer the normal biking because it's oh shit. Oh god, I was not expecting that drop. I prefer the old classic bike because, you know, quad and leg work. And you know, quad and leg work, which is dope. You know, get those legs nice and toned and shit. But who knows? Who knows? I'm right by your side. When I'm not with you, I feel awful. Then my beauty says I'm thoughtful. Wait. No, yeah. There's no electric bike there. I don't know where the electric bike stations are at, but and I'm not planning on doing that anyway. I'll probably do it. I'll use one of those e-bikes, but not soon. Biking is fun for me. I'm like running over the rocks or some other things and I hear some pops on my wheels, I'm worried they might pop the wheel, and I'm like, I don't really have anything to fix the wheel. Hopefully. That's it for today, I guess. GG. No read.